আপনারা দেখছেন মিউজিক্যাল শো মিউজিক অ্যান্ড আড্ডা। সৌজন্যে হ্যানা জুয়েলার্স, গ্রিন স্ট্রিট, লন্ডন। সিলেট ওয়েল্ডিং গ্যাস কুকার্স কোম্পানি, ওয়ালসল, ওয়েস্ট মিডল্যান্ড। বাদশা প্যালেস, a unique venue for your next event, Walsall Road, Birmingham. এবং C&S Home Store, Soho Road, Birmingham, servicing to community last 40 years.
Music and Adda.
Dear viewers, welcome back again, and sadly this is our last segment for tonight's show, Music and Adda. Don't forget to watch it every Thursday at 11 p.m, repeat on Saturday at 3 p.m. www.ntveurope.net is our website. Do find us on Facebook, visit us on YouTube, and write to us on Twitter as well. Tonight আমাদের সাথে আছেন অনেকেই, বিশেষ করে তবলায় যিনি আছেন আপনাদের সবার পরিচিত। হি ইজ ফ্যান্টাস্টিক গাই and plays some wonderful tabla. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Piyash Barua. Piyash Barua, thank you very much Music and Adda আসার জন্য। Octopede আছেন once again, he's been playing Octopede for some time now and he's part of Music and Adda family. And I want to thank him, Faisal on Octopede. Thank you very much Faisal, Music and Adda আসার জন্য। গিটারে আছেন আপনাদের সবার পরিচিত, every week উনি আমাদের সাথে থাকেন, অনুপ কুমার চক্রবর্তী। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ মিউজিক এন্ড আড্ডায় আসার জন্য। এবং কিবোর্ডে আছেন, সবাই তাকে চিনেন, well recently he was on holiday, just came back today is his first show. This Douglas Gomez, thank you very much and welcome back again. And tonight we are in conversation with Papiya Ghoshal. আমাদের হাতে একেবারে লিমিটেড সময়, তবে হ্যাঁ, I want to thank GM Chowdhury and his management team of Bethar Bangla 1503 AM. They have a show coming up on 18th of this month in Royal Regency. For information, do visit their website www.betharbangla.net. And thank you very much for Papiya Ghoshal. Papiya, we were talking about music in terms of classical music, Rabindranath music, which you studied, and that's all good. What's your plan? What do you want to do? Where do you want to go from here?
I don't have any plans in life. I don't believe in plans. I mean, why to plan?
Do you just take it as calm, or how do you
Yeah, I
see
mean,
it?
life is short and I don't want to plan everything. I mean, I don't, every day is so busy that there's nothing to plan. I mean, every day is planned by my organizers, different...
What about in terms of your album? What have you done so far?
I have some music albums and some are coming up, and I'm also singing in some feature because I've got a strange voice according to, especially in today's time, you don't get such strange voice. So somehow, I don't know why people like some like my voice, so I've been chosen for some feature films to, to sing.
That's great, and I want to say congratulations to you.
I just sang in the promo of Cosmic Sex, which I was just acting in that, which is due to release,
Okay.
and will also release in London
Wow.
very soon.
Fantastic. I'll be looking forward to that. Anyway, right now, which song are you going to sing for us?
Again, a very strange song. I'm doing some things which are not very common, because you are used to, our viewers are used to very much, I think, some common songs. So I'm trying to sort of deviate a bit from there and sort of bring my soil here in NTV.
No
so,
problem. Our viewers,
I hope
they listen to all types of songs.
Viewers, I don't know if they're enjoying, but I'm doing it. So, okay. So I'll go to this tribal belt again. So let's go to the tribal soil again.
मेरी पाता चक मेरे चुप सिरी पाता सोच हे मेरी पाता चक मेरे चुप सिरी पाता सोच बेचे गोल्डा मेरे पीर अगला माजा सोच हे बेचे गोल्डा मेरे पीर अगला माजा सोच छोटो खाटो बेकुरेर गाछ पाता झिलिमिली गाछ हे छोटो खाटो बेकुरेर गाछ
Papia. Wonderful.
Village song.
That's really nice. I loved it.
It's a
Wonderful song.
marriage song.
Yeah. I want to know. I know you've got 2 shows coming up.
Yeah.
Right? Do you want to tell us a little bit about your show?
I have a show on the 18th, Betar Bangla show, and I would expect all the audience, if they like my songs from the soil, which are a little different from what you're everyday listening to, please come to the show.
And you have another show coming up on the 20th as well.
Yes, from NTV organized a show on the 20th, so I would love everyone to be there and see me live dancing, because this time I was constrained, couldn't dance in the studio, but then on the 18th I will dance a lot, because you just see half of me. My songs without dancing is incomplete in one way, so I would love to show you my dancing on the 18th and on the 20th.
Well, I want to say thank you very much for coming to Music Canada. Do you have any message for our viewers who's watching right now?
Yes, just bless me so that I can, I'm still a learner, as you see, and I hope that you would bless me so that I can go forward properly without any difficulties, without any problems in life, and sort of I mean musically, I would love to get all your blessings, and I would love to love you, spread love, because our message is to share, care, and spread love, and that's the philosophy. And the music, I have a music band which is based in the Czech Republic, but we travel all over. It's called Papian Baishan Tantra. So I have my different musicians. I'm very thankful to all the musicians here, because they just picked it up in 1 minute. So we had no rehearsal practically.
Well, thank you very much,
and to you, I mean, coordinated by you. So I thank you especially for that, and all the musicians here. I mean, they are brilliant.
Well, if you want to see more of Papia Ghoshal, don't forget to come to the live musical event, Betar Bangla 4th anniversary, 18th of this month in Royal Regency. And of course, don't forget to come on the 20th of January. This is a very, very special show. Cooking Queen Season 2 final round will be held at Royal Regency. Papia will be there as well. Do visit us, our website, and get the information from there, www.ntveurope.net. Tonight, that's see from me. Dekha hobe next week. Until then, Khuda Hafiz, take care, and bye-bye.
Something very common song to end this evening with a popular song which everybody knows and everyone can join.